Hi there, welcome to my video. In this video we're going to put together the July card of the month for 2025. The design space file is 100% free to cut, and it's available in the Facebook group I help admin, Cricut Explorer Maker, and more, and I'll link to it in the description box below. Okay, I remember my card base this time. This is glitter. No sentiment on this one for me, because I don't know what I want it to be, but I knew I liked the papers. Alright. So it's only 4 pieces. And the pattern paper goes on top of the matting. Oop. There we go. The paper I'm using is, pattern paper I'm using is a digital paper from Creative Fabrica. If you like it, I will link it in the description box below. I'll even link my blog. I'm using a brayer to help get good adhesion. So this is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? I'm not usually a pink person, but I like that. So this piece right here, the X piece, has it only goes onto the card one way, so it's at an angle, and then this angle goes down into this corner. See, down into that corner. Alright. Then this one only goes one way as well. Alright. Got glue on my hand. So this one stacks on top of the X. Alright. The Barely Art glue should keep the glitter cardstock together. Because you know, some glues you won't glue glitter to glitter, but this one does. Okay, so I'm going to put glue on the back. It's a very simple card this month, but I thought it was unique enough. Alright. Alright. I'm going to open it up and use my brayer again. Make sure there's good adhesion, that the glue sticks to the card itself good. Alright. So here it is. That is the finished card. If you want sentiment, you can put sentiment here, or instead of glitter, you can put sentiment down here. Well, I guess that's all. Thank you for watching.